Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Skytech Azuze 3 pre-built gaming desktop, a system designed to deliver strong performance right out of the box. At its core, it's powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X, boosting up to 5.5 GHz for fast load times and smooth multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing content, it handles demanding tasks without slowing down. Graphics are driven by the RTX 5060 with 8 GB of GDDR7V RAM, capable of running modern AAA titles at high settings with stable frame rates in 1080p. Gameplay feels fluid, and visuals stay sharp even during intense scenes. Cooling is managed by a 360mm ARGB liquid cooler, helping maintain stable temperatures during long sessions while adding a clean, customizable look to your setup. You also get 16 GB of DDR5 RAM at 6000 MHz and a 1TB NVMe SSD, ensuring quick boot times and responsive performance across applications. It ships clean with Windows 11 and even includes a keyboard and mouse to get you started. Overall, the Skytech Azuze 3 delivers solid gaming power, modern hardware, and sleek design in a ready-to-go package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.